Was it?
Got him! Got him!
It's finally here, guys. Thank God. Guys, I'm going to get one of my friends, and then I'm waiting for my dad to get home, and then as soon as that happens, we are gonna put it in. So, I'll see you guys there.
The hood was like 30 pounds, bro. No, 50 pounds.
This thing is like 8 pounds, bro. This thing is so light.
I know, I'm just saying.
I think it's more than 30. It's probably like 40.
No, it's not. This is like 20 pounds.
Yeah. It's on this side, just underneath the heat shield. So.
Is it?
I think that's how it's set. I think it ran through that line.
Yeah, I think it goes through. Or did you maybe?
But won't it like burn if it just sits there? I mean, there's a heat shield over it. I'm pretty sure the lines are just sitting there. If I could get this to run through. Problem is I can't get this through there. Does it disconnect right there? For now. Does it disconnect right there? No, but I can pull this right here. Yeah, I don't want it. Sit.
This is gonna melt.
Oh yeah, that's good shit.
Who could?
Definitely worth 4 months.
Was it?
Think the car is annoying enough?
What the fuck?
What are you doing? Cheers!
Pump blast, come on.
Alright guys, as you can see, the car is looking incredible with the hood on. It looks amazing. Shout out Cybon, you guys do great work. Only took 4 months to come in though. It took a really long time. I think we should have ordered it straight from Cybon rather than Fast Scions, the drop shipper. But that's fine. I don't even care anymore. It's here. My hoodie is all weird. But one issue with putting in the hood, I guess it'll be two. But the prop hood, the prop where you hold it up, you know, the stick does not fit in the hole. It sort of fits, but like the thing won't go all the way in the hole. I'll show you guys all of this in a second. Second thing is washer fluid line. So since all the holes are too small, the washer fluid, there's a clip in the middle of the two lines that separates them because there's two exits for the washer fluid. It doesn't fit through the hole that you're supposed to like poke it through to be able to exit it out to the outside for the washer fluid to actually work. And I need washer fluid line to work. I need the washer fluid line to work to pass inspection. So I think what we're gonna do is get like a Y cord and just attach it to the line, and then attach it to the two other lines, just so that it can just kind of like sit. There's this hook. I'll show you guys all of this again, but there's this hook in the middle where you can just line it up on the Y, and it'll be long enough to be able to just go straight to the exit rather than poking it through the hole and stuff. So I think we're just gonna do that. But yeah, the hood is looking amazing. Pretty soon, I think tonight maybe, I might take it to self car wash, get some video. I'm gonna get some photos. I'll show you guys those photos. But yeah, it's gonna be really dope. This hood is looking amazing, and I am extremely happy with it. Oh, one last thing. Here in a couple months, I'm 1000% gonna take it to a body shop or something and get it clear coated. We're gonna throw on a clear coat just to be 1000% sure that it won't be damaged by UV. The thing about clear coating, it's the best option simply because it just puts like a coat, just like regular paint on a car. So technically, it just turns that carbon fiber into a regular piece of, you know, metal on your car. So clear coating is definitely the way to go. I know there's like polishers and like jet seals they can just polish on there with. I have a machine polisher which I could use, which I might use that sometimes. But I think the best option is to pay a little bit of money to a body shop so that they can put a clear coat on, just to make sure that no UV damage happens and the hood stays looking good. Check out the accelerator supply drip. If you guys don't know what this is, it's going to be a little brand that I'm going to be starting up. I have a website going, it's just not up and running, I guess. I don't have anything in stock. This was just a sample. I also have a sweatshirt. I will show you guys that too. But if you guys want this shirt or the sweatshirt, just hit me up on _TCRyan or _TCRyan on Instagram, or go to accelerator_supply, and I can get an order for you. I just can't do it through the website right now, but I can get some orders together if you guys want some. Let me know. Alright guys, I got the car up in the garage because I'm just about to start a new video where I'm going to be polishing up the car, but you guys will see that soon. Here we have the hood right here looking nice and cute. But I thought I would show you guys just what exactly I'm talking about as far as the washer fluid. I hate that sound so much. It's a lot louder than the OEM hood would make. And it just kind of scares me. But I'll get used to it. Let me put this camera down so I can actually put this up. Alright, so first thing, I actually read the manual after editing the rest of this video. The holes are supposed to be smaller, so I guess that explains why the hole over here is so small too. But basically, we have the washer fluid line right here, and then in here I think we have the clips. Yeah. So basically, yeah. So basically, this line connects to that line with this right here. Y'all see that? And it has this, here's the exit, but it has this clip on it that you can see right here, and it does not fit through that hole at all, but it does fit through the OEM one. So I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do about that so far. As of right now, I don't know what we're gonna do about that, but I'll figure it out and I'll let y'all know in the next video what we actually do about that. But right now, my washer fluid line is just kind of chilling there. But yeah, I did read the manual. Probably should have done that before we actually put in the hood, but holes are supposed to be smaller. I don't really remember why, but they did say it has a reason. So you know, it still fits in there obviously, so it holds it up. But yeah, so that's why the washer fluid will not fit in there. They also said to fix it, you could just drill additional holes. I don't think I want to do that, to be honest with y'all. So I think we're just gonna find an alternate way, and I'll let you know what we do. This car is looking absolutely beautiful now. Absolutely love the hood so much. I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking heat shield. I'm thinking I'm just gonna like maybe make my own or buy like a cheap one, like a universal one, that maybe fits with the vents, or we can just cut out, you know, holes for the vents and put it on there. Just to make sure this plastic, because you can already see this plastic is just kind of like wearing away. It's not bad right now, but I feel like it is gonna get worse. So be expecting that. I'll probably get some type of heat shield for this just to make sure this plastic doesn't, you know, have any damage. I'm not really sure if you guys have had one of these hoods before or have it right now, and you know for a fact that this plastic will never get hurt as long as it has vents, let me know that. But as far as what I know right now, I think I need a heat shield. So that'll probably be coming up in the future. But yeah, guys, I absolutely love the hood. Another big shout out to Saibon. I love their work. I knew I was gonna get this at some point. I just had to, you know, it fits the car so nice, and Saibon is an amazing company, and it's a beautiful hood. So I knew I had to get it at some point, and it ties in with the car beautifully. But yeah, I'm just about to start a polishing video. I'm gonna be polishing up my car, the front end and back end. Really need some help with some scuffs and stuff, and then I'm just gonna polish the sides to make them look better. So yeah, you guys will be seeing that right after this video. And yeah, guys, but that's pretty much it for this one, and I'll see y'all until next time. Peace. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and make sure you go follow my Instagram so that you can get constant updates of the car. I talk about what I'm gonna do on this channel on Instagram literally every day, updates and stuff, and then y'all see it happen on YouTube. But if you want to see the the photos of the car, I got some really nice photos up there. Go follow the Instagram and make sure you guys subscribe and you see me in the reflection. Until next time, peace.